At first, everything feels manageable, simple, steady. Then the pressure starts to build. Daily withdrawals, stacked MCA payments, stress you didn't plan for. When the pressure becomes too much, things break. But broken doesn't mean ruined. It means something needs care. This is where structure matters, where experience matters, where the right hands make the difference. Life Advisors and Development is the gold that holds the pieces together. Restructuring pressure, stabilizing cash flow, restoring balance. Not hiding the cracks, not pretending nothing happened, but rebuilding stronger, wiser, and stable. Life Advisors and Development, because strength isn't avoiding pressure, it's how you're rebuilt through it.